welcome to TrulyAsia.tv. I'm Pamela, and this time around I'm going to experience the diverse culture and show you the adventurous side of Sabah. I'm going to start with the Pasar KRAFTANGAN, Kota Kinabalu. Located along Jalan Tun Fuad Stevens, the handicraft market is a favorite shopping place for locals and tourists alike. Souvenir galore awaits you, and rest assured there is something for everyone. The cheap trinkets, which make excellent gifts for friends and family. These include keychains, beaded bracelets, necklaces, and bookmarks. You will be spoiled for choice with miles and miles of beautiful sarongs and parios, an ideal reminder of your tropical holiday in Sabah. Be sure to check out the gorgeous pearl jewelry and handicraft. You can purchase loose pearls or stunning brooches, necklaces, and earrings, available at almost every stall you visit in this vast market. The most important tip when visiting the market is to bargain, bargain, and bargain. Pick up some local lingo to improve your bargaining skills, and you might even walk away with a great deal. I must have been blinded by the glitter of those jewelries, but I need to move on to my next location, a little bit of nature's adventure. After about an hour and a half drive from KK, I reached this place just by the road, the entrance to KLIAS River. I'm about to experience nature at its best. The KLIAS River Cruise is a popular day trip with locals and tourists. On this cruise, you will see the proboscis monkey in the KLIAS wetlands. The cruise starts in the afternoon and ends in the evening. It is easy to identify a proboscis monkey. It is the one with a long nose and a bulging belly. The cruise starts at 4 p.m. in the afternoon. It is about a 2-hour boat ride that takes you into the wetlands. On the KLIAS River Cruise, you could sight the magnificent wildlife of Borneo, especially the proboscis monkey, which is an endemic of Borneo. Soon, you will see monkeys and other wildlife in and around the trees. If you're lucky enough, you might catch a glimpse of other animals such as the long-tailed macaques, silver-leaf monkeys, otters, and crocodiles that are known to lurk in the mangrove waters. Along the cruise, you wouldn't even realize that the time has passed by. The beauty of this magnificent piece of land is simply breathtaking. Lush greenery and white skies will take your mind away from any worries. As the sun begins to set, you are guaranteed to be mesmerized with the purple lining on the orange skies. You will never forget the beautiful scenery of the river cruise in KLIAS, I assure you that. Now, for our next destination, to learn about Sabah's culture and tradition. Mori Mori Cultural Village. The village is located about 25 minutes away from the city. The journey will take you to long roads surrounded by a rich spectrum of greenery and overarched by clear blue skies. In the village, the colors of cultural diversity are not an issue, but rather their pride, where you can savor the soul of Sabah. Upon arrival at the entrance of the village, you will be ushered into the warmth of different homes of the ethnicities of Sabah. Each home was built by descendants of the tribes they represent and offer you a truly genuine experience seeing everything in and around the village. Not only does this village portray these tribes through the architectural genius of their traditional houses, but also through a range of simulated lives of the olden epoch by the residents of the village. Acquaint yourself with each tribe as they let you come into their house and their simple yet intricate lives. As you traverse the village, you will find demonstration huts along the main houses, in which daily activities of all time come into life. For example, the making of bloat pipe, That was truly fascinating, but now for some adventure. It's time to call it a day, but I'm not finished yet for now. I need a lot of rest for tomorrow's adventure. Morning comes and I just can't wait to be at my next location. After about an hour's worth of drive, I arrive at this small town, Tamparuli. Before I can get to KIULU River for whitewater rafting, I had to cross this historical suspension bridge, the Tamparuli Bridge. The local Kadazan Dusun tribe has been using suspension bridges for ages, crossing the many rivers generated by the Crocker Ranger. The current Tamparuli Bridge is a reconstruction of the original bridge, which was damaged due to floods. Interesting, isn't it? Well, enough storytelling and let's get to our trip of rafting adventure. KIULU River is classified as a Class 1 and 2. A Class 1 and 2 provides an easier and enjoyable whitewater rafting adventure. The whole family can enjoy it as it's safe and you will be guided by professional trainers. The whitewater rafting trip begins with a safety briefing session conducted by a professional raft guide. This will cover rafting techniques and proper handling of rafting equipment before the whitewater rafting trip commences. Well, even though it's a level 1 rafting adventure, a little safety tip is a must.
When you try to saving this person, you make sure his hand between his D-ring. Okay, make sure both hands between his D-ring. Do not hanging on the center. It's loose.
If you're feeling a little bit more adventurous, then head down to the KIULU River where you can do some water rafting. Let's go! The trip covers up to 15 kilometers of the KIULU River, making it the longest whitewater rafting trip in Sabah. The journey along the KIULU River will take about 1 to 2 hours, and you won't be tired just looking at the surrounded trees and waiting anxiously for the upcoming stream. sure had fun today? Whitewater rafting in KIULU River is a must for the whole family when you get to visit Sabah.